Today, we will explore which is the best online courier company for e-commerce businesses, offering the most efficient services at the lowest rates. There's no introduction today. I'm taking you directly to the main content, sharing my personal experience. Over the last 4 years, I've navigated the e-commerce courier landscape, starting from a time when cash on delivery wasn't available, and we relied on prepayment and local couriers like DTDC, Maruti Courier, and Tirupati Courier. As the era of cash on delivery emerged, so did online services like FedEx Delivery, e-commerce Express, and Shadowfax. Eventually, aggregators entered the scene, revolutionizing how we manage couriers by providing an online dashboard for placing orders or automating them directly from your website. Aggregators like ShipRocket, ShipLite, Picker, and I Think Logistics began to dominate, allowing us to compare which service offers the lowest shipping rates for specific PIN codes. After extensive experimentation with these platforms, I've come to understand which courier service stands out as the best today. In fact, I've previously discussed this topic in a video that has been viewed and appreciated by hundreds of thousands. Now let me first address the pain points and problems that arise in this industry, starting with pricing issues, weight discrepancies, delivery services, and customer care support. We'll delve into these challenges and compare the services of 4 major companies, highlighting their strengths and weaknesses. Let's begin by examining my experience with ShipRocket, then move on to Picker and ShipLite, and conclude with why I think logistics has become my preferred choice. I hope you find this insight valuable as you navigate the complex world of online couriers. As we delve into the evolution of courier services, it's crucial to understand how the industry has transformed over the years, adapting to technological advancements and changing market demands. From traditional postal services to modern digital platforms, the courier industry has continually evolved to meet the needs of businesses and consumers alike. This evolution has introduced a range of services, from same-day delivery options to global shipping solutions, reflecting the dynamic nature of commerce in the digital age. Stay tuned as we explore the key milestones in the evolution of courier services and their impact on e-commerce and global trade. In the realm of e-commerce, aggregators have become a pivotal element in streamlining logistics and courier services. These platforms aggregate various courier options, providing an online dashboard where businesses can manage their shipping needs efficiently. By comparing prices and services, aggregators help e-commerce businesses find the most cost-effective and reliable shipping options for their products. Today, we'll explore how these aggregators operate, the benefits they offer, and why they have become essential tools for modern e-commerce operations. While online couriers offer numerous advantages, several common problems can impact their efficiency and reliability. Today, we'll discuss the main issues faced by businesses using these services, including misleading pricing, weight discrepancies, limited delivery reach, and inadequate customer support. Understanding these challenges is crucial for businesses to make informed decisions and choose the right courier service that aligns with their operational needs and customer expectations. Let's dive into these common problems and discuss potential solutions to enhance the effectiveness of online courier services. Moving on to a detailed review of ShipRocket. ShipRocket has emerged as a popular choice among e-commerce businesses for its wide reach and integration capabilities. It offers seamless connectivity with leading e-commerce platforms, making it a go-to for many startups and established businesses alike. Now, let's talk about Picker and ShipLite. Both these services provide unique offerings that cater to specific needs. Picker is known for its efficient on-ground operations, while ShipLite offers cost-effective solutions for lighter shipments. Together, they form a versatile duo that can handle a variety of shipping demands. Among the various options, I think logistics stands out primarily due to its commitment to timely deliveries and its exceptional handling of logistics challenges. What makes it particularly appealing is its ability to adapt quickly to the dynamic market conditions and customer needs. To conclude, Choosing the right courier service is crucial for the success of your e-commerce business. Each of the services we discussed today has its strengths. ShipRocket is great for its integrations, Picker and ShipLite for their specialized services, and Ethink Logistics for its reliability and adaptability. Assess your specific needs and choose accordingly to ensure smooth operations and customer satisfaction.